Okay, welcome to Berry King Waterproofing, the hardest working waterproofing channel in all of South Africa. My name's John Berry, and on this channel I show you how I service, assess and execute projects in and around Johannesburg. You can see I'm out of breath because I'm at Westcliff Hotel. I just managed to finish about 4 blocks climbing on the slate roof. Slate roof condition is shocking. However, that's why they call out Berry King Waterproofing, so we can get it right for them. Make it a seamless roof, and you can easily walk on it without actually breaking the tiles like popcorn machine. Pop, 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 pop the whole time. Anyway, as you can see behind me here, I've got a beautiful view of of our country. You can see how gorgeous it is right across. Got the hospital, got the SABC, got Santon down there. So it's really something else. The greenery here is absolutely beautiful and breathtaking. However, by me walking on this roof, I came across something on the floor, and I couldn't resist it. However, I picked it up, and here it is in my pocket. Where is it? Let me get it out for you. Look at that. Whoa, what is that? It's a something that I thought is a something. However, I've stopped this nonsense a while back, but when I picked this up, it was a sign. Whether it was a sign to have a few pulls of it and continue doing my assessments and pray to God that I get off the roof with no issues, or I can just throw it away. Nah, let's have a pull and see what it does to you. Anyway, if it's my time, it's my time. If it's not, then I'm going to get down. This is the last roof for today, and then I'm off to my other projects to make sure that everything's going perfectly fine with my other projects. If you've never subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, share with friends or family, and Berry King Waterproofing is here to help you. Stay well. So here's a nice wacky weed. Don't know what's inside it, but I'm sure it'll tell me just now. And rather interesting, nice, tasty. Must be a Durban poison or something. Goodbye, guys. See you later. I'm now at the roof that's behind block 4, if you can see. I don't know what block it is because that paper's a bit confusing for me. Okay, welcome back to Berry King Waterproofing. You can see behind me I'm in one of the most amazing units, probably a penthouse, excuse me saying that. Beautiful linen at Westcliff Hotel. Really absolutely gorgeous as you walk around and have a look. Bathrooms are immaculate. Look at this. It's like that's the place you want to be. So we have now completed our session of 4.5 roofs. We still got 4.5 to go. However, I'm pooped. So there's no way I'm going to come back here and finish up. So stay tuned for the other videos. Thank you for following me. Share and subscribe. Berry King Waterproofing out.